Hello everyone, welcome to Sulphursoft. Today we are going to start lecture number 10 of Python Mega Course. In this lecture, we will cover in-depth knowledge of complex number data type in Python. What are complex number? What is real part? What is imaginary part? How to access the real part and how to access the imaginary part using the built-in function of Python. Let's see. As we already know, in mathematics, complex number is denoted as x plus yj, a plus yb. So, what is x and what is y? X is called the real part of the complex number, whereas y is called the imaginary part of the complex number. Python gives us flexibility to individually retrieve the real part and imaginary part using the built-in function of Python. Let's have some example on the pie chart. I am declaring a complex number c is equal to 10 plus 5j. For example, I'm going to print the type of c. What is the type of c? The data type of c is complex, mean it belongs to complex class. We can also retrieve the real part and imaginary part individually. Here, the 10 shows real part and 5 shows imaginary part, whereas j is under root of minus 1. So now we are going to access real part 10 and imaginary part individually. Real function is the built-in function in Python to access the real part of the complex number. Let's retrieve the real part of this C complex number. In this example, we will write print to print the real part value of this complex number. Please note that real function will give us the value of real part of complex number in the float form. Like if this is whole number, then the output will be 10.0. This real function will gives us the real part of this C complex number. We have used C.real syntax. Now this is the whole number, but real method will return a float type number. Mean the value which will be returned will be 10.0. Let's see. Here we have got the value in float form 10.0. So we can also describe this part in float value like 10.11. We are taking this like we can also take complex number in float form as well. First see what is the method or what is the built-in method in Python which is used to extract or retrieve this imaginary part. IMAG method is used to extract the complex part of the complex number. Let's run it. Look at it. We have got the complex part or complex value of this complex number. We have got 5.0 as the output. IMAG imaginary, basically it is showing imaginary. So imaginary method or IMAG method gives us the imaginary part of the complex number, but the value which is returned is in the float form, like this 5.0. We have already covered float data type in previous videos. If you don't know about the float values, then please go to the previous videos and see the float data type. It is giving us the value in the float data type. In complex number, the real part can be written in decimal, octal, binary, or hexadecimal basis. But the imaginary part should always be written in the decimal form. Let's see in the example. We can write this real part in binary, octal, or hexadecimal form. Let's write the example 0B1111. I'm taking real part as the binary base. So it is giving me 15.0 because when we will convert this tetra 1 into the base 10, then it will become 15. So the print function returns the decimal form always. This has been discussed in previous video where we have covered in data type. If you don't know about the binary, hexadecimal or octal basis, then go to the previous video where we have thoroughly explained it. 0B11. Now we are taking as 0O. It is showing octal form and I am taking it as 1, 2, 3 for example. Here 83.0. It is working fine. Now I am taking as OXA23. It is giving me the value. Now I am going to take it as 0B1111J. Can I take it? No. Already the PyCharm is giving me error, but I am going to run the output. It is showing invalid syntax. So we can take the real part in binary, octal, hexadecimal, but the imaginary part should always be in the decimal form.